How to use your network to get customers. Part 4. Send a message to your subscribers. When you make a post on social media, not all your followers see it. The average reach is about 10–15%. In order for more people to see your offer, I recommend to contact these people and get to know them. You have friends and followers on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and you can send these people multiple messages. And you won't be blocked if these people are in your followers, friends, or contacts. But if these people are not on your list of friends, contacts, or subscribers, and you send a lot of messages, you may be blocked. Depending on the rules of a particular social network, you can be blocked for a period of hours or a couple of weeks. I suggest you send your contacts a message like this. Hi, let's say John, this is Lisa. You subscribed on me on Facebook or Instagram. I want to get to know my followers and see if we can be useful to each other. What do you do for a living? So you describe the reason why you decided to contact your subscribers and find out more about them. And then, in messaging, you can offer your services. Or you can just ask to recommend you to someone else. This way, you can expand your network of prospective customers. Part 5. Email. If you previously worked in the company, you may have a list of email contacts from a previous job. Honestly, it may be the easiest for you to make sales to people who you know from your past work, especially if you work in B2B companies before. In general, you can assess the list of your contacts and write to those who are engaged in business, as your ad services may be the most relevant to them. You can write an email using our example as a template. Hi John, this is Lisa. You and I worked on Project X together. I've decided to start a career as a digital marketer, and now I'm looking for business owners who can give me advice on how to get started, what marketing strategy they use in their business, and how they attract customers. Do you know any business owners? If so, could you please introduce me to them? I would really appreciate it. Thus, you can work through all your contacts in a rather personalized way. Your homework is to send a message to all your subscribers and to send emails to 20 people of your contacts. See you in the next video.